Batanes is the northernmost province of the Philippines. It is an archipelagic province composed of 3 islands, such as Itbayat, Sabtang, and the main island of Batan, where Basco, the province capital, is located. It is the smallest province in the Philippines, both in land area and population. Batanes is a famous tourist destination, known for its scenic terrain, rolling hills, and Ivatan houses. One of the popular places to stay when visiting Batanes is Amboy Hotel. It is conveniently located along the National Highway, just across Cagayan Beach. This video featured the beautiful tourist destinations located in the north of Batan Island. Situated atop of a hill is Mount Carmel Chapel, popularly called as Tucan Chapel. Established on May 3, 2008, it is made of stone walls that was designed after a traditional Ivatan house. The chapel was destroyed by typhoon and still undergoing renovation. Minutes away from Mount Carmel Chapel is Tucan Radar Station, the northernmost gas station in the Philippines. It was destroyed by a typhoon and is currently not operational. Overlooking from the area is Mount Uriah, the highest point in Batanes. Is Dipnesu in Japanese tongue. It was used as shelter by the Japanese Imperial forces during World War II. Valugan Boulder Beach is a 3-kilometer stretch of beach made up of different sized boulders. The boulders were said to be brought about by series of eruptions of Mount Uriah more than centuries ago. The place is locally known as Chanpan, but is popularly called Valugan, which means east in Ivatan language. One of the popular tourist destinations in Batanes is Vayang rolling hills. Boasts of a perfect combination of picturesque landscape and seascape. It is located in the west side of Basco, and is used as pasture land by the Ivitans. rolling hills, is Basco Lighthouse, a popular landmark and tourist attraction in Batanes. The construction of the lighthouse was completed in 2003, and it is located in 80 Hills, where the first lighthouse in Batanes was built. It is a 6-story structure, with a viewing deck on the 5th floor. Overlooking from the viewing deck are downtown Basco, Mount Iriah, the sea, and the rolling hills. Downtown Basco. Town Plaza is Basco Cathedral, also known as Santo Domingo Cathedral. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.